Hi, are you a coffee drinker? Do you ever feel like sometimes coffee just needs to be celebrated? I do, and so today I'm wearing my Lil Rose Flexi clip that is in celebration of coffee. So I wanted to share with you that there are certain things in life that should just be celebrated. Don't you agree? So my name is Kathy, first of all, and I'm glad you're here. And I want to tell you about some Flexi clips that are made for celebrating different seasons, different events, different special holidays. So I wanted to first of all show you some of the patriotic Flexi clips we have. And these are fun for celebrating any of the patriotic American holidays like Flag Day or 4th of July or Memorial Day. There's one with the flag. Here's another one with the flag with a star background. That's a fun one. That was a new one this year. So there are patriotic ones for when you want to celebrate your country or in memory of veterans who have lost lives or servicemen. Maybe you have someone who's serving already or presently in the armed forces, and it's a nice way to celebrate them every day. There are also summer themed flexis. This is a really fun one for beach days. See if I can, it's a little seahorse. See that with the really pretty blue beads, and the blue on this one is really beautiful. Here's another one for summer. It's a starfish, and the blue in this is gorgeous. It looks great in every color hair. Imagine in blonde hair or for redheads, black hair. This really pops, brown hair, all of them. This is a really beautiful flexi for the beach. Here's one for either summertime or if you think of like an autumn harvest sun. That is a pretty one. I love to wear this one in the fall because it tends to be more worn with fall colors. There is this one, which is super adorable. They call this one Charlotte. It's got a little tiny spider dangle. It has a spider on the web as well. They call that one Charlotte, but they also bring this out around Halloween. So it's kind of a fun, quirky sort of flexi. The colors in this are also gorgeous. So that's a nice one. This is another pretty autumn one for the fall. It's got the maple leaves and the little acorn. See the little acorn dangle. They also have come out with a little, I have one here because this one had U-pins with it. They've come out with a little orange dangle as well that you can add onto it because this has a clip. If you can see that, has a clip that you can add another little dangle onto it. So they're pretty for fall. There is a bunny rabbit for springtime and Easter, things like that. So I just wanted to pop in really quickly and just show you that Lil Rose has a flexi for pretty much every occasion that you could be looking to just celebrate. Even if you are just looking to celebrate coffee like I am today. So today, if you would just subscribe to my channel below if you haven't done that already. Press the bell notifications to be notified when I go live. There are links in the comments to my website if you would like to check out any of these styles for yourself. And that's it for today. I will let you go. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.